Why is it when I see your name, it's got me all busted up, butterflies in my brain. And every time you call, I can't seem to get it right. Why am I up till 2 a.m.? Now it's 3:15, boy, you did it again. And I can't seem to get a cheeky smile out of my mind. I feel like a fool when I lose my cool. I'm just trying to impress you, boy, you got me sprung and I don't know what to do. Could this be love? Could this be love? Could this be tell me you want me? Is it 1 night, 2 months, 3 or forever? And when we get together, I can't seem to